Hi, my name is Kit Yoon. I am a holistic health practitioner and life and health coach. I also practice as an inner voice facilitator. It took me a long time to find the mastermind that I really wanted to join. I never really joined one before. And when Leticia offered this Mistress Mind, I felt aligned with it right away, partly because I have been following Leticia and I know her style and her strategies, and I love her holistic approach to business and to life because that is what I do as well. So it was not hard for me to make a decision to join the Mistress Mind. What I did not know was how much I would love being part of a community of really like-minded people. Everybody in there is so supportive and so loving and so ambitious. And those are the qualities that I was looking forward to having in my vortex. And because of that, I really thrived in my practice. The last 4 months of my practice in the Mistress Mind, I made more money than I ever had in my business. I reached the highest month revenue ever in my business. And the funny thing is, the fact that I'm even calling it my business is something new. Even if I've been practicing for 20 years as an acupuncturist, I never really considered myself a business person. It's just what I do. It's an extension of who I am. Being part of this Mistress Mind helped me solidify that identity and created a really lovely container for this business that I do own that is successful. And I feel like the Mistress Mind helped me embody that part of me and accept it fully so that I get to think of myself as a business owner, as somebody who is capable of creating a lot of value for my patients and clients as well as for myself. I can't say enough about being part of this Mistress Mind. I am continuing with Leticia, going up to the business council, and I still get the privilege of um, being part of the Mistress Mind if I choose to. So I am so looking forward to it, and I'm so grateful for Leticia and everybody in the Mistress Mind for helping me becoming this person that I am today with a business that I truly love.